spend the day at the beach with me and my 2 kids. We're in the UK after 10 months in Saudi. I decided I'm gonna take my 2 kids to the beach today. We don't live by the beach, but it's a 2-hour drive. I think we can make it. Currently 10 a.m. and the drive is an hour 55. Just before 12 and we made it without a hitch. We have a lot of stuff. All right, Mama's gotta pack a lot into this pushchair with the bathroom. We're all packed in. Very full pushchair situation, but okay, let's get parking. Parking paid is $12.08. Set up this beach situation. Nick. 4 o'clock, we left the beach. We've ditched all the beach stuff. Now we're gonna go back out into the town. Six o'clock, we finished in the arcade doing the games. Now we're looking for fish and chips. Hungry. It's one of the 6:55, ride's done. We're gonna try to find a place to fly the kite. 7:15, we're playing on the rocks, then we're gonna head home. Okay, it's 7:48. Let's drive home. We get back at 9:30. Let's go. Literally 2 minutes in, kids are asleep.